So apparently I don't know how to spell aisle. It's wrong aisle, I guess. This means island. Okay, here we go. The can's diameter is 2 inches, and the distance between each aisle in the store is 6 feet. How many cans of soda will make at the base of the triangle? So instead of feet, I want to keep my units consistent. I'm going to say, what's 6 times 12 inches? That would be 72. So we got 72 inches. Okay. This is what we're doing here, guys. We're making a pyramid. Wow. Here, let me pause really quick. When you're making this pyramid, this is what happens. I don't know. Some of you guys are having a hard time envisioning this manager's idea. This is what's happening, guys. You see how it kind of looks like a pyramid?
Yes, but it's gonna fall.
Okay. My pyramid is not gonna fall.
It's one.
I should probably have done red because we're doing Red Bulls.
Supposed to be like,
actually, Red Bulls are blue, huh?
yeah.
Dang it! Oh well.
Obviously purple.
Okay, so each diameter is 2 inches. Okay, now I actually have a space here. Let's pretend there's not a space and they're actually touching each other. Okay, so if there's no space here, and this is 2 inches, this is 2 inches, this is 2 inches, this is 2 inches, what would be the length of this one? There's 4 cans, right? And so what would be the length of the bottom?
8.
Yeah, it'd be 4 cans times 2 inches. So this one would be 8 inches. I'm just talking context here. This doesn't really help me solve the problem at all. I mean, but you understanding the context does help you solve the problem. It says if the Red Bull can's diameter is 2 inches and the distance between each aisle of the store is 72 inches, how many soda cans will make up the base of the triangle?
36.
Okay, wait. Do we have to make sure that we're not blocking the aisle?
Yes, you have to make sure it says it right there.
Okay. All right. Now notice that it says the distance between each aisle. Okay. Here's the shelf thing looking down on it with a bunch of stuff on it. Here is a shelf thing with a bunch of stuff on it, and here's a shelf thing with a bunch of stuff on it. This is the area you guys walk down to go shopping, right? All right. The pyramid is right here that you're making. So you want to make sure that this pyramid doesn't go into the aisle like this, and so you can't walk into my aisle. Does that make sense? So what's the distance between each aisle? Is also saying what is the thickness of this guy? It is 72 inches. This is 72 inches from here to here. It's not actually the space that you're walking down. It's the space between the aisles. That's actually what it says. It says the space between the aisles. So how many cans will there be? Well, you would take 72, you just simply would divide this by 2, and that's how many cans you would have. How many cans is that? 36 cans. Okay, so the base would be 36 cans. Not 4. That was just a dumb example to help you guys understand the context. This is 36 cans. Okay, let's read the rest. Now, you could probably figure out this next one, because it says how many cans are in the 5th row. You can probably figure out this next one just by listing out how many cans are in each row. How many cans are in the bottom row? 36. How many cans are in the next row? 35. How many cans are in the next row? And then 33. Okay, isn't that the answer? No, that's the 4th row, huh? Okay, 32. That's the answer. This is the 5th row. Okay. Can we make this more complicated and use like an nth term thing? Yeah. What kind of sequence is this? Arithmetic. What is the common difference? Okay. So what's my nth term? It is 36 plus n minus 1 times -1. That's my common difference. That's my first term. This is how you find the nth term. So if I wanted to find the 5th row, I would just have to plug it into this. What is -4? Or 4 times -1? You said the answer, dummy. Okay, what do I get? 32? Isn't that what we got? So we can use the arithmetic sequence to help us solve this answer, which is good to know, because what if later I ask you something different and you can't just list everything out? Remember, this FRQ is timed. You will not have enough time to list out every single number. Next question. It says, how tall will your... Oops, I'm crossing it out. How tall will your triangle be if the Red Bull can's height is 5.33 inches? If you want to find out how tall you would be, you have to actually find out how many rows there are. Does that make sense? You have to find out how many rows there are. So you know what you actually want? I'm totally taking this problem away. It's like you're a little baby and I'm ripping your bottle out of your hands. What does n equal if the row has one can in it? So you have to go 1 equals 36 plus n minus 1 times negative 1. You can do it like this. How many rows would that be? What would n equal? See, 36. Some of you guys are like, what? Why are you doing extra stuff? Maybe. Did you know that, okay, this is 37 minus n. Okay, so then you would subtract 37 both sides. Did you guys know that there's 36 rows? Maybe you did. Maybe you did. Okay, so we know that there's 36 rows. Do you guys know how to find the height now? Yeah, we just have to take 36 and multiply it times 5.33. And that's going to equal your answer. And I'm not going to find it because I'm lazy. All right, just look at the answers that I have on the answer sheet solutions thing. How many 24 packs of Red Bull will you need to open to make your triangle? Whoa. How many 24 packs? Wait. If we want to know the answer to this question, what do we have to know? How many total there are. Man, I wish there was some cool formula to find this. Oh wait, there is. It's called the sum formula for an arithmetic series. It looks like this: n divided by 2, and then you go first term plus the last term. In this case, it would be a sub 36. That would give you guys a sum. So we're gonna say this is gonna lead us to do this: the sum of 36 rows. N equals the rows. So we have 36 divided by 2, and then we have the first number and the last number. What's my last number? Uno. So we do this. This is going to be, what is that, 18? 18 times 37. And that will give you the total number of cans. And after you find a total number of cans, what are you going to do with that total number? You're going to take this total number and you're going to divide it by 24 to figure out how many packs you would equal. Now, I'm going to make this next number up, okay? This is fake. Let's pretend you got like 6.471. How many packs would you have to open? 7. That's right. Because the decimals are telling you you had to have more cans than 6 cases would provide. So you would have to open 7 cases and you'll have some leftover cans in there. So that would be your answer.